Morning my little squirrels, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the weekend, Saturday vlog innit. No big clean to do, because me and Lacey did it yesterday. Rach came down this morning, she was like, oh that's nice not to think, you know. But, doesn't mean to say we haven't got things to do. I'm going to sort Soph's bed out, needs sorting out. I'm waiting for her to get ready. You know what it's like with some of these girls, take ages. She's been up there ages and she said, how long are you going to be? She said, I'm still getting ready. All dressed up and nowhere to go though, innit? Huh? Anyway, nice sunny day at the minute. Windy. Rach has had her washing done early this morning, out on the line. Meant to be some showers, so we'll see. But it's a good job she got it out early, innit, Dot? Oh yes indeed. So aye. Up and about early everyone ish. Well, Chloe and Lacey woke us up about 6ish. You was awake earlier than that, weren't you, Rach? About 5:30. I jumped out of bed. I thought it was Friday. And I thought, oh, Rach is going to be late for work. And she come back to bed and said the dogs needed to go out. And then just after that, wasn't it? Lacey and Chloe come in, shouting about. We did manage to go back to sleep for about an hour or so, but yeah. Yeah, we're all up and ready to deal with the day, whatever it throws at us. What do you say, Leah? Good morning. What's your plan? I bet you're off out on your bike. Okay. Yeah. Well, you do know your bedrooms need doing.
Have you fixed this yet?
I screwed it back on yesterday, but I don't know if it's working correctly.
Where?
Has it gone again?
It's not there.
Oh, it's fell off again then. Another thing that's about at it. Nice to see you polishing your desk, Leah. No. I see you going around everything instead of moving stuff there. You lazy little swine. Sherlyn? Yeah. You ready for me to sort your bedroom out? Or your bed? I dread to think what's behind it and underneath. Alright, Sand. What are you doing? Tidying your bedroom? What about you? You're making a mess. You're eating. I can smell them. They're strong. You're cold? No way. I'm going to get on. I'll see you in a few. Look at the fat man sweating. It took my time. I fixed the bed. Piece of wood had come out. So I've screwed all that back in. Turned the bed around though. And now she's got no longer a wonky headboard. So all she's got left to do, ain't you, is tidy her bedroom. She's got her drawers back now. Because the way she had a bed last time, when we turned it around, the drawers were facing that way. Don't know why we did that, do you?
No.
I think we just moved it around once, but didn't. She said, oh, she wasn't bothered about the drawers, but with the stuff she's got in here that I can see, the drawer, she does need the drawers, so
thanks.
So you're welcome. So now, it's up to her to tidy up. Sorry about making a mess, but to be fair, when we moved to bed, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So I had a good hoover, scrub down on it.
Yeah.
Well, Rach has been in and out, in and out. She had the dry, washing out, and it was nearly dry, and then it eshed it down. Now the sun's come back out. Well, she brought it in, and now the sun's come back out. She's put it out again. But I don't know if you can see, it is actually spotting again. It is a spotted again, but so yeah, she's hoping it'll dry in between, but we'll see. Look what I've got for lunch. I've got these from Aldi, guys. Some mussels. I love mussels. So I've cooked them up in this. Is it a wine sauce or something?
Close your legs, Stephen.
Oh, I can't wait. Get your mind out the gutter, guys. Get your mind out the gutter. Very nice them mussels was, but rather fishy.
Oh, get away, fishing.
Oh, it's lovely. Anyway, this one, right, she's been a bit sneaky, hasn't she? Don't know if I told you yesterday, I don't think I did. But before we went on the school run, I popped into Tesco, yeah? Because we've already got all our Easter stuff for the kiddos and whatnot, so that's good for us because it's normally last minute rush. And you know what it's like, they all fly off the shelves towards the end. Luckily we've got what we needed to get, and then I thought yesterday I'll surprise Rach with one. So I got her this, because she'd been eyeing it up. And she went to get me a big one the other day, and I said, nah, I'm not really bothered. So when I picked that one up for Rach, I picked this one up for myself, just a small one. Just a little one. A little crunchy one.
Nice to get a big
I said, that's fine. Lacey was like, yeah, get yourself a big one. I was like, nah, that's fine. Anyway, Liam went out this morning, and then when I was upstairs, I could have sworn I seen him back in, because it'd been raining.
I came to get a hoodie.
And then when I come down, he'd gone. And Rach just said, oh yeah, he's come to get a drink. Well, she'd only sent him to Tesco's, hadn't she, to get me this. That is sneaky, but thank you very much. I'll have a bit of Toblerone. Fish and chips for Saturday tea, guys. And this week, we're giving this a whirl. This is from Iceland. Having an early-ish tea, well, it will be. Well, I don't know. Probably, yeah. About 4:30, 4:45, but Rach persisted with the washing, look. Good job she did. Yeah, she's got a lot of washing done today and dry on the line.
Don't talk to me today.
You're tired. You and Chloe are tired. That's what you get for getting up early.
I'm not tired. You put me in a mood.
Why have I put you in a
I was in a
mood?
good mood until you.
I haven't done it.
Put fish in my hand, fish shells.
Looks like we could be cheating, guys, with the chips. And that is where we're getting them from. To be fair, this chippy has improved. Sometimes it was good, sometimes it was bad, but just as of late, it's good. And it's one of the cheapest around here still. So we'll have chippy chips with the fish that we bought from Iceland and mushy peas from the cupboard, which are from Aldi. And I think it's going to be a taste sensation. Get some bread and butter as well. Put a bit of fish, put a few chips in it, put some mushy peas in it, scrunch it together. Yummy. Yummy for my tummy. Looking forward to it. Yeah, Liam's popped in. I think he's coming. Anyway, I've got the radio on. Very rare I have the radio on in the car. Put some tunes on today. So it's finally got a bedroom sorted. She's been up here all day, bless her, on and off. Oh, you can get in.
By the way, my bedding's in the wall.
I know. But doesn't that look better? Look, your headboard isn't slanted. Yeah. Your bed doesn't sink down. Does it feel better?
Yeah, it doesn't feel right. It doesn't,
yeah.
Yeah.
And you tied it up. You need a new desk, don't you?
Yeah, and a new stove.
Yeah. What did you put in your drawers then?
Just rubbish stuff.
Just junk.
Yeah. Well, that's all my
It's nice and neat though.
stuff.
Yeah, just chucked
You
it
don't want
in.
to see the other one. The other one's just like...
Tea will be ready in a minute.
Okay.
Tell you what, dinner looks better with these plates.
Ignore the little eating part.
So there you go. It's looking and smelling beautiful.
They do look...
Dinner!
They do look more appetising.
They do, don't they? Oh, what's happened to our plate? Just played a bit of Fortnite with Liam and getting off it now, some boxing on soon, so I'm going to get my dressing gown, sit and watch that. But the rain has finally come properly now. Horrible out there. It stopped again, I think, but yeah, did ash it down. Look how light it still is. 9:30, guys, it is. I'm struggling. Keep my eyes open this last couple of weeks. And do you know what? The clock's changed tonight, so you lose an hour. So I think next week me and you'll pay for it, won't we, Rach? We won't want to go, but we'll be very tired. Anyway, there's 2 boxing matches left. And then after that, we shall brush our teeth and go to bed. So I'll end the vlog in a few. Just a few milliseconds for you guys. Nearly 11:15 in the evening, folks, and it's time to go to bed. If you're wondering why I'm talking funny, Lacey decided to get these teeth whitening strips for some reason, and she was insisting on me having a go. Anyway, it's bedtime. Rachel's on and off on the sofa, so we'll go upstairs and see how many of them are still awake, shall we? I can't hear any of them, so maybe they're all fast off. Oh, Rin's still awake. Surprised at that. Night.
No.
Oh, Shirley's awake. Didn't think you would be, Shirley. Chloe goes to sleep. And so is Lacey Lou. Which doesn't surprise me, because these two are awake really early. Right, that's it then, guys. I'll catch up with you Monday now, because tomorrow's Sunday. I won't vlog tomorrow. I'm going to do a day catching up on vlogs, because I'm about 3 behind now. Just haven't been failing it lately, you know. Some of you guys know I've been panicking and whatnot, so getting there, aren't I? Getting there. My back, still feel it on the left hand side here, but nowhere near as bad as it was. So, you know, I think I'm getting there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the rest of your weekend. Take care.